Welcome. If you're looking to find your page stories activity on Facebook using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through each step so you can easily review your story interactions and keep track of your page's engagement. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account as usual. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Next, select the page you want to check. Click on the page profile photo to enter the page itself. You'll now be viewing your page as an admin, giving you access to all the tools and settings you need. Now, look for the menu on the left or the top of the page, depending on the latest layout update. Find and click on Settings and Privacy. This may be a drop-down option, so make sure to expand it if you don't see all the choices right away. From there, click on Settings. This will open up a new panel with various options related to your page management. Scroll down until you find Activity Log. The Activity Log is your go-to place for reviewing everything that's happened on your page, from posts and comments to more specific actions. Inside the Activity Log, look for the section labeled Stories Activity. Click on it, and you'll be able to see a complete history of all the stories you've posted from your page. Here, you can review each story, check engagement, and even see who interacted with your content. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly access your page stories activity on Facebook from your PC, even after the most recent updates. Keeping an eye on your stories activity is a great way to monitor your reach and understand what content resonates with your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Facebook tips and tricks.